Hello everyone. Today, in this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to create tags on Ontraport. To begin, sign up for an account on the Ontraport website by using the link in the description box. Let's get started. Creating tags in Ontraport is crucial for efficiently organizing and segmenting your contacts in 2024. To start, access the Contact Management section within your Ontraport account and navigate to the Tags or Labels option. Next, create a new tag by providing a descriptive name that reflects its purpose or segment. Optionally, assign criteria for automatic tag application based on specific contact actions. Save the tag once named and the criteria assigned. Begin applying the tag to contacts manually or automate the process using rules and triggers. Utilize tags for segmentation, allowing personalized communication and targeted marketing efforts for each contact group. Regularly monitor and manage your tags to keep them organized and relevant, adjusting criteria or renaming tags as needed. Document your tag structure and criteria for consistency and future reference. By following these steps, you can effectively leverage tags in Ontraport to optimize contact management and enhance your marketing strategies. That's all for today. Simply click the link in the description to access the platform. Thanks for watching.